Understanding cardinal directions is simple. All you need to know is four basic directions: north, south, east, and west. Let's use a map to understand how to apply these directions. With a map upright, cardinal directions will be positioned like so, with north pointing upward, east pointing towards your right, south pointing downward, and west pointing towards your left. With that in mind, we now know that Washington, North Dakota, and Maine are located north in the United States. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Maryland are located east. Florida, Texas, and New Mexico are located south. And Utah, Nevada, and Colorado are located west. You can combine the cardinal directions to express locations of places accurately. For example, New York is located northeast in the United States. When you are outside, you can use a pocket compass to understand which direction you are traveling. If you have no interest in a pocket compass, then you can simply use your phone, which comes pre-installed with a compass application. Now you know what is and how to apply cardinal directions. Practice using these directions often as they are necessary for travel. And remember to always keep it very simple.